Apologies for the bad lighting, but it's maintenance today on the two mighty DRs. I've just been doing a relatively simple chain clean and lube. Tom's going a little bit more complicated, but not too complicated, with an oil change. We went out for a nice Western style breakfast. I had pancakes and Tom had eggs, and then we visited the mechanics to get a few bits and pieces. Here's Tom putting his bike back together. He's just putting the oil filter in. One of his pipes or his lines might be a little bit blocked up. It's causing a bit of concern, but let's be honest, if you're riding a motorcycle, even if it's a simple DR Suzuki 650, there's always something of concern. You're always worried that something is going to go bang and you're going to have to put it on the back of a truck, or anyway, that's just the life of a motorcyclist. Pretty fun day so far, pretty relaxed, and we're off to the Iranian embassy tomorrow to pick up our visas. Hopefully both of them are going to come through no problem, but don't count your chickens before they hatch. One thing you always need plenty of when you're doing bike maintenance is rags, and I've just been sacrificing my old t-shirts along the way, ripping them up, but today's an especially sad day. I'm going to carve up my Harley Davidson t-shirt. I think I've had it for about 8 years. I think I bought it when I first bought the Harley. So there it is, hanging on the back of a scooter, and in a few minutes it's going to be rags. Rest in peace, Harley Davidson t-shirt. Well, I've been in Islamabad for a few days, and I thought better come out and see something before I head out into the mountains. So we are here at the Pakistan Monument. Unfortunately, the sun's in behind it, so it's not the greatest of light for videoing. So the monument signifies the different provinces of Pakistan and coming together in peace and harmony, which is not always the case, especially at the moment, but it's quite impressive. Here is a much better picture of it by a professional photographer that I've stolen from YouTube, from Google. And as you can see, once you get inside it, there's some pretty amazing artwork and carvings on the inside of the, I don't know what you would call them, structures. It's very beautiful, it's very well done, and it's on top of a hill, so let's go and have a look at the view. Here's Islamabad down there with the mountains in behind. It's very impressive. We go over here. Down there is some sort of area, not sure what that's for. And behind me is the rest of Islamabad. Sorry about the light this evening, but I'm no photographer and the sun does its own thing. We are here at the Faisalmosque in Islamabad. It's the 5th largest mosque in the world, and it's the largest mosque outside of the Middle East. I could get a bit more up close and personal, but it involves taking off my shoes, and I'm not sure if they'd let me inside anyway. But it's a very impressive mosque. I've ticked that box, and hope you enjoyed that. I've just been swarmed by a bunch of guys wanting photos, so I'll stick those up. As you can see, they all want to gather around and get in the shot, so that was a bit of fun. What's up, adventure travelers, and good morning from Islamabad. It's just before 7:30 in the morning, heading to a town named Naran. The sky is absolutely cloudless, and bring on the day. You see it at the drop of a hat on the internet, but I don't know, I never really expected to see it up close. I'm sure the van's loaded up, and everyone's travelling on the roof. No need for air conditioning up there, boys and girls. Beautiful valley down below. Some massive mountains in behind. That's where I'm heading, down to the valley. I'm here at the petrol station and I've made some new friends. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Wave hello. So these are my new friends at the petrol station. Oh, and there's a guy that's coming up behind me. Better go. Holy guacamole. There's amazing scenery at every turn. I just got off the bike 2 minutes ago, so I'm taking this from the GoPro helmet cam. Look at that road over there. That's where I'm going. Need to keep my eyes on the road where I am. There it is. Well, this is definitely going to be one of the rides of my life. Oh boy. Got some serious rocks falling. Oh, look at that one there. Jesus. Here's the man in the excavator. Should be using a cabalco, mate. Doosan. Not that Chinese stuff, mate. Chad, get Dylan over here. Start selling them some cabalcos. You see these landslide area signs pretty regular. Doesn't inspire confidence, but at least you know. Look at that valley down there. I'm never going to make my destination. Pulling over every 3 minutes. Let's go! How's that for some valley action? I've just come up that road and through that valley. Amazing. Wish you were here, everybody. This is a amazing motorcycle riding. And is that a dam up there? I don't know. Let's take a look. Yep, I think it's a dam. I think we might be going into a tunnel as well. Oh yep, there's a tunnel. 420 metre tunnel. Oh, that's not much. And we are out into the valley. Oh, here's the old panorama of the dam, and up the river she goes. Oh, look at that beautiful bike. Now that's a herd of goats. Biggest herd of goats I've ever seen in my life. And we have arrived at Naran. Look at that. Hope they've got somewhere nice for me to stay. Let's go find out. Welcome to Naran. So as I pulled into town, all the accommodation owners were standing out in front of their hotels, waving me in, and I just rode through the mall. Thought I'd do a bit of a drive through and see what was what. And about 3/4 of the way along the main drag, I pulled over to pull out Google and have a look around, and as per usual, a small crowd gathers. I'm chatting away to them, and good old Muhammad, owner of Snowland, comes up to me. We're chatting away, and he very kindly invites me to stay in his hotel for free. I object, but he said he's had a good summer season and it's pretty quiet at the moment. So thank you, Muhammad, for having me. Here's the room. It's very nice. We've got a nice big bed, and there's the bathroom through there. So how's that for Pakistan hospitality? Doesn't get better than that. Good morning, adventure travelers. There's the sign, I love Naran. And look at that valley. What the hell? I've been on the road less than 3 minutes. And you might see something you haven't seen for a while. The old riding jacket. Steady that camera. Yes, it's pretty chilly up here in the mountains of North Pakistan, but oh my god, look at this. How's this for a morning greeting? It's almost better than the breakfast of champions. Wow, this is mad scenery. Anywho, on to the logistics. It's just before 8 o'clock. I've got about a 6-hour ride, slightly less according to Google, 5 hours 40. And important things to know is there was a big landslide up by Raikot Bridge, but they clear the landslides pretty quickly. That's not the point. The point is not to get caught in the landslides. A couple of days before, there was a landslide, I might have said, and a boulder, I think it was, took out a truck or a bus. 2 soldiers, 1 civilian was killed. So landslides are real, like kangaroos are real. Anywho, I don't want to bore you with too much valley scenery. I'll leave you there and talk to you soon. Oh, look at that. This is crazy. If I filmed every amazing valley and scene, you just have hours and hours of crazy footage. But I'll leave it there and talk to you soon. We're definitely in landslide territory now. Don't want to muck around here too long. She's getting pretty chilly up here. We're pretty high. The highest point is, oh, there's the valley. The highest point is 4,000 meters. I don't think I'm there quite yet, but I'm at the top of a valley and it's pretty stunning. There's snow on the mountains in the background. I've just noticed that I'm huffing and puffing a bit. The air is thinner up here. I'm not struggling at all, but you notice that your breaths don't go quite as far as they do down at sea level. Time for a bit of morning tea at 4,000 meters. The pass is called the Babusar Pass. I'm pretty sure, I'll check that. Pretty sure that's the correct pronunciation. And this is what I'm having for morning tea. Okay, we've got some chips there that look nice and crunchy, pretty special. Got a fly, get out of it, fly. Got a samosa, I'm not exactly sure what's in it. Got some ketchup on the side and got some Pakistani tea. Most of you probably know that I'm a coffee drinker, but I've actually taken to Pakistani tea. They drink it quite sweet, and I do have a sweet tooth. So when in Rome, do as the Pakistanis do. And down we go. This is the other side of Babusar. I'm only 100 meters or so from the peak where I had my little morning tea, and heading down to that valley there. Look at those mountains. Holy cow. Let's go. How are you? Good. So beautiful.
Yes.
Amazing. This is your home?
Babusar.
Babusar is your home?
Yes.
Wow. Unbelievable. So beautiful. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you.
I'm from New Zealand. Okay. Okay. Hey, hey. High five, high five, high five. Okay. Bye bye. Hey. Hello. Bye bye. Come on, one more. One more. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look out. Alrighty, this is obviously the place where they have a lot of slips. A look at these rocks on the side of the road. Oh, look at that.
Every foreigner stay this hotel.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
But when you ask him,
Yes.
do you have security?
Yes.
They said yes. Then you stay this.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Cheers. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the road to Gilgit is still closed. Thought it was going to be clear last night. The next closest town is Chilas. It's about 15 minutes away. And hopefully the road will be open tonight. So in the meantime, I just have to chill out in Chilas. And here we are at the Shangri-La in Chilas. 60 bucks a night, which might be a little bit steep given the fact that the electricity is not even working, but hopefully it'll be on soon. But the view probably makes it worthwhile anyway. Pretty sure that's the Indus River down there, and some pretty amazing mountains right on your doorstep. So I've got half a day to soak up the view, and anyway, hopefully the road will be cleared tonight and we'll be back on the road tomorrow. Fingers crossed. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment below. If you'd like to know more about the ride from New Zealand to Ireland, please go to twowheelstoeverywhere.com. If you don't know, I'm raising money for the intellectually disabled community in New Zealand, and to find out more about the organisation that takes care of them, you can go to ihc.org.nz. If you're enjoying the series, please consider donating to the IHC. That can be done through my Give a Little page. All the links are in the comments below, and the money goes directly from Give a Little to the IHC. So let's hope the landslides are cleared tomorrow and I can make my way to Islamabad. I'm staying at the Hostel Nomads hostel and looking forward to that. In the meantime, ride safe and see you on the road.